Hey everybody. Hey, so like if you're interested in saving even more money with your Tesla or any other EV, you can charge your car anytime off peak. So normally, if you charge at home, you're going to be saving a lot more money. But if you decide to use the supercharger network, they have on peak hours or charges and off peak hour. So as an example, here's one in Doylestown, PA, and you just use the Tesla app and click on the little stick pin, and it comes up with information about that location. You can see that there's 5 out of 8 stalls available right now at 250 kilowatts max. And down here you can see the best times and price per kilowatt. So right now it's at 44 cents a kilowatt, which is still cheaper than gas, right? But then you'll notice that at 6 p.m. the price goes down to 38 cents. And then it looks to me like around 12 p.m. the price goes down to 19 cents. It's yeah, AM in the midnight, Deborah says, right? So as soon as so you can, that's like really a great deal. It's so cheap, it's almost as cheap as charging at home. And so this will save you even more money than normal. And all you got to do again is, here's one in Maple Glen. That's Fort Washington, I guess. Yeah, there you go. So Fort Washington is 250 kilowatt max, 49 cents during peak hours, you can see, and all the way to 8 p.m. Then it changes to 31 cents a kilowatt, and then it looks like at 12 a.m. it goes down to 18 cents a kilowatt. Fantastic deal. So if you're traveling and you travel at nighttime, it's going to be cheaper for you to travel at nighttime than it would be during the day. So that's my Tesla tip of the day: is find chargers and charge at nighttime when nobody's there, and the peak demand is down, right? And this is just electrical demand, not necessarily charger demand. So here again, here's one in Conshohocken, 49 cents a kilowatt during peak hours, and then it goes down at 8 p.m. to 33 cents a kilowatt, and then at 12 a.m. 16 cents a kilowatt. So that's pretty good. And then at 4 a.m. it goes back up to 23 cents. So you just need to, find the ones that are the best deals for you as you're traveling along. That's it. Mr. Rick out.